Hello everyone, this is Crafty Grandma here with you tonight. Well, it's actually this evening. We're out taking a ride going to the grocery store, and we discovered that the road that we usually go on is all flooded. We can't get through there. So I thought I'd take a little video up here on this top road, and that is where they used to have rodeos down there in Monongahela. But it's all flooded. Wow. I mean, it is really, really bad. Wow. The road just disappeared, that's right. Can't even see the road from here. So I don't know if we can get into Monongahela this way. We might have to turn around and go all the way back and find a different road. Wow. I can't believe that's all flooded down there like that. Is there another way we can get across down that way?
I've never seen that. It looks like a lake.
I know, it looks like a big lake. It's never been like that before. Jeez. Look at that. I don't know. Look. Mercy. Hey, there's the road way over there that we should be on, but we can't get over there. I don't know if we can go down that other way there. We'll check it out and see. Jeez. We don't have any closed off signs. Yeah, I think this is all flooded down here too. Look at this. Now this used to be just a field. Look at it. I am just shocked. I think the kids used to play soccer down there too. That was a soccer field. And we can't go any farther because this road here is flooded too. Can we?
There's no through street.
No. Just back up.
There'll have debris against that bridge. And that stuff.
Yep. Oh well. That was our little ride. We're going to have to find another route to get to the grocery store. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.